Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. And if you are new here, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Keturah and I love sharing aspects of my home and lifestyle with you guys. Well, today guys, I am in my bedroom and I am doing a little spring refresh. I am not going to be doing much, just a little light cleaning, and I will be changing out the curtains and a little dusting, and that's just about it. I will be adding a few touches of yellow to the bedroom. So if this is something that interests you, if this is something that you would like to see how the space turned out, please keep watching. So friends, this is how it all turned out. The bedroom, I must say, looks and feels spring ready. If you liked what you saw, please help me out by giving a like on the video and leaving a comment in the comment section. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not yet already done so. I hope you were able to get some inspiration for your own home. These ideas are in no way limited to the bedroom, but can be applied in any space in your home. Guys, if you stayed up right up to the end with me, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of the video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.